Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha Joshi. Today we'll learn something with pencil shading. Now we have already made a video where I have talked about these pencils 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B pencils. Now today we'll make a scene, a landscape with pencil shading. For that I've already made a rough sketch and then I'll tell you how to do shading with it. I hope you all are enjoying watching our videos, and if you are new to this channel, I want you all to subscribe the channel, and if you are already a subscriber, thank you for your support and all your love, and keep liking our videos, sharing it with your family and friends, and commenting on our videos. Thank you so much. So let's begin. So I have made some simple mountains, a rough sketch for the tree, palm tree, some water, a small boat, and this. Now we also require a piece of paper, a plain piece of paper, so that whenever we are working, I don't spoil the whole area. Okay, so we will be requiring, at times we require that also. So I will start with the sky. Now for the sky, what I'll do is I will just I'll take a 2B pencil. We'll start with the lightest shade. So I'm taking a 2B pencil and I'm starting with it. Now before I start, what I'll do is I'll just give a brief for the sky. What I'm giving is I'm just giving a very light demarcation so that I have a sky like an image in the sky. So let's start. I'll start with it. I'm starting with it a 2B pencil. So I'm just to start with it, I'm just starting with a 2B pencil. Very softly you will keep moving it with a very less pressure on your hand. And at places where we have to give a darker tone, we'll use a dark pencil. Now we'll start with the mountains. So what we'll do is we'll first work on the trees and then we'll go back to the mountains. We'll add a very little depth to it. Now I'm moving my pencil in a rolled direction. I mean, like a scribbling part. I'm not making a single shade. I'm just moving my pencil to give a shade of a tree, shape of a tree. So I'm just rolling my pencil out. We can do it first with a lighter tone and we can continue with a darker one, so that it gives us a complete look of a tree. I'm taking an 8B pencil here to make this area darker. Right part will be again darker. Gradual mixing we need to show. Right? We have to show the gradual mixing of our tree. Now our pencil sketch is almost done. Now we have to make sure we don't keep touching it, otherwise we'll tend to spoil the whole thing, okay? And you can keep a paper on it to preserve it, or what you can do is there are spray available. You can just spray it away, and so that your painting is intact and it does not keep smudging. So whenever you have to do some work on above part or that part, then you don't have to put your hand. Just take a piece of paper and then do it, right? And also, I hope you all enjoyed making it. Do share your work on our Insta and Facebook page. Don't just mess it up. Just keep doing it very slowly. You'll achieve the desired effect, my guarantee. Okay. Now, do like, share, and subscribe, everyone. Take care, stay happy, and stay safe. And do give it a try. It's not that difficult, but yes, of course, you need practice to do this merging and shading all over. Bye, everyone. Take care, stay happy, and stay safe.